Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 10th April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for positional or swing income trades. That is nothing but a monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. And also at the end of the video, we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept the videos in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you will get into this page. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now, let's generate reports with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate is a bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, our higher time frame should be monthly, intermediate time frame should be weekly, and lower time frame, that is also called as entry time frame, it should be daily. So that is the reason why our entry time frame is daily, and the entry zone should be demand zone because it is a bullish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, for daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. We are also going to set three filters. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones. So that's why the last parameter in this page, pierced count. In daily time frame, I am entering minimum value as 0 and the maximum value as 0. 0, 0 indicates the zone pierced count should be 0. If the zone pierced count 0 means the zone is not a pierced zone because we don't trade on pierced zones. And the next one is second parameter, zone achievement. We need to select the value VOZ, violated opposing zone, as I explained you in lesson 20 in the checklist. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setup. Please remember all the three filters is applied to the demand zone only because we selected our entry zone as a demand zone. So now let us filter the stocks. We got a big list is generated. 31 stocks are filtered total. And this is the first page. See, I will be giving you only few seconds time and then I will scroll down to the next page or I will go to the next report. So what you need to do, just pause the video and then you can study all these parameters. If required, you can also draw some of your favorite stock zones in the charts by taking the information from columns leg in, base and leg out. It will be helpful to you to identify the zones in our trading view charts. In case if you are not aware about this report, please go through lesson 20.1. In lesson 20.1, I clearly explained about how to understand this report, and also I shown you how we can draw a zone in trading view by taking this leg in and base candles and leg out. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, now let me generate the next report. I am going back. Now I am going to generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So monthly income trade entry time frame is daily, but entry zone I am selecting the supply zone because we are going to generate bearish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup in daily time frame, now I am selecting the value bearish. And the filters remain same. Violated zone achievement should be VOZ. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 and pierced count should be 0. But this time all these filters are applied to the supply zone because we have selected the entry zone as supply zone. Previous report, the filters are applied to demand zone. In this report, the filters are applied to the supply zone. So 3 stocks are filtered. Currently these 3 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, higher time frame is weekly, intermediate time frame is daily, and your lower time frame or entry time frame is 75 minutes. So that is the reason why I am selecting the entry time frame as 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, this time I am selecting 75 minutes time frame. There I am selecting bullish, and we have to set 3 filters. First filter, the P/E count should be 0 for 75 minutes time frame. So minimum value I am setting 0 and maximum value 0 indicates P/E count should be 0. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let me filter the stocks. So total 20 stocks are filtered. Let me scroll down. Okay, now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. I am going back. Entry time frame is 75 minutes for weekly income trade, but this time we are selecting entry zone as supply zone because it is a bearish trade setup, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes time frame I am selecting the value bearish, and the filters remains the same what we set. P/E zone should be P/E count should be 0, and zone achievement is VOZ, and a minimum odd enhancer score is 12. Now let me generate the report. So only one stock is available. Currently Wipro is supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So we have generated bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. In the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on the daily ATR. So using this daily ATR, let me generate the report. So this column is having a daily ATR, and 15% ATR should be used for monthly income trade, and 10% ATR should be used for weekly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices, and remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So what I do, I will keep on scrolling this list down. If you have any of the stock, if you want to refer, just pause the video. You can study and proceed further. I am scrolling down. So this is the complete information. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.